Max was clarifying Ossible that he had not entered in his room through any balcony, but he had entered through a door with the duplicate pass key. Okay, so further Ossible said, "It's not my balcony." He was quite irritated, so he said, "It's not my balcony. It belongs to the next apartment." He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. He looked at Fowler with the expression of he was explaining something. "You see, this room used to be part of a large unit, and the next room through that door there, okay, used to be the living room." So this room was a part of a large unit, and it used to be a living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window now. So it had a balcony extended which was there under his room, outside the balcony. You can get onto it from the empty room 2 doors down, and somebody did. You can easily get down to the 2 empty rooms through my balcony, and somebody did it last month. The management promised to block it off, but they haven't. So management of the hotel, they had promised Ossible to block the entrance from the balcony into his room, but the management had not blocked the entrance. Okay, so Max, at this explanation, Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Ossible. Fowler was bit afraid because Max was having pistol in his hand, and his Fowler's life was also in danger along with Ossible. So he was standing stiff with the besides the Ossible. So what Max did, Max just waved his gun like this. Okay, waved his gun, and he commanded with the gesture, "Sit down," he said. Okay, "We have a wait of half an hour, I think." So he said because exactly after 12 o'clock at night, midnight, Ossible was supposed to receive the reports, the secret report regarding missiles, and Max had come to grab those reports. So he told Fowler to sit down and be relaxed because it will take next half an hour. After half an hour, I'll be grabbing those reports from Ossible, and I'll go off. I will go. So this was the reason behind for Max to meet Ossible.